Hi, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to be starting another decluttering series. This time I'm going to do a room by room declutter. And this week I'm going to start in my bonus room. My bonus room is where we have our main entertainment area, we have a wet bar, we have an old entertainment center that I'm using now as a craft area, and we have our home office. So it serves a lot of functions. It's a very big room. And so I'm just going to spend about 15 to 20 minutes going through and trying to find some items that I can declutter. Because this is the one room in the house that tends to get a lot of clutter accumulating in it. So I hope you enjoy and find this inspirational when you're trying to declutter your home. Stay tuned.
While looking for some items to declutter, I came across this case which has a lot of sewing and craft notions in it. Buttons, hooks and eyes, sequins, and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go through it. So here's some things I'm going to be getting rid of. These were some buttons I covered a long time ago. I don't really think I need to keep them. They're very hard to get the covers off once you've put them together. But I'll donate them in case somebody else wants to use them. Then I have had these, I hate to say it, but since I was about 12 years old, I was into making some jewelry, and I have never ever used them. And I've been hanging on to them all these years. This is actually some pieces of coral, and these are mother of pearl birds. And I did use some to make a necklace once, but I got rid of that necklace a long time ago, so I'm getting rid of those. And then I have some sequins. I think I use this for a craft project. And then I have these very tiny jingle bells. I think I also use this for a craft project. If I need some, I can get some, and they're just taking up room. And then this is the container that I pulled everything out of. And you can see it's now empty. I don't really have a need for it anymore, so I am going to go ahead and donate that as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the rest of the items, as I showed you already, I put them into containers where I will store them as their permanent home. So I found some more items in the bonus room that I can get rid of. This is a chest that we used to store American Girl doll shoes and socks in. It's empty. We haven't used that in many, many years. A lot of index cards that my daughters used to need for school. They had to have colored ones. We really don't have a use for them, so I'm going to donate those. And then I have some mailing labels. We really don't use these. They were left over from an office that closed, and I took them in case we needed them, but we don't really need them. And then a bunch of trash and other things that we can recycle. I did have another group of items that I was going to donate and get rid of. Unfortunately, that footage got corrupted, so there was a little bit more than this. So here are a few other items. I need to check with other members of my family to see if they want to keep them. We had 2 mats for DDR games, and we also had the Wii Fit platform, and I don't think anybody has used these in many, many years. So I'm going to check with other people, see if they want to keep them, and if not, then I'm going to donate them. And then here's a couple other items I need to double check on. This binder on the left, it's a leather binder, but it's kind of distorted in shape, and it was my husband's portfolio after he got his teaching credential. And then this is an old iPod Nano that stopped working. My husband had taken it apart to see if he could figure out why it wasn't working. I found it in a drawer. We have another one that's in a box that has never been opened, so I think I can get rid of this, but I want to double check with him before I get rid of those things. And he listens to music on his phone now anyway, not on these types of electronics. So hopefully those are a few more items that I can get rid of.
Thanks for tuning in today as I continue my journey of decluttering my home. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. And also the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I upload videos at least twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and often more than that, on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. So thanks for tuning in again, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.